Hello YouTube, it is Elba Viral over here. There is a common problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11 where it looks like you cannot use the search feature. So when you click on search, it looks like the keyboard doesn't work and whatever you start typing, it will not show over there. But the keyboard works just fine because you can check that on the other applications and browsers. So in order to fix this problem, there is a quick fix. The first thing you will need to do, you will need to go to delete all your temporary files. To do so, you will need to run the run command. So you will need to go to the run command. In order to do that, you will need to press Windows key plus R in order to open the run, or you can right click on the start on the bottom and hit run. Once you do that, you will need to type temp, which is for temporary files, TEMP, hit OK, and it will open a window with a bunch of files. So you will need to select all these files and delete them. To do that, just press Ctrl A on your keyboard, or just go to the menu on the bottom and hit select all. Once you have selected, you can go to delete using your keyboard or the option on top and skip the files that will not delete. You can now clean also from the recycle bin if you don't because you don't need them anymore. And the second thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to your computer, this PC, go to the local disk, go to the Windows folder. Let me make it full screen. Windows folder. And over here you will need to locate System32 folder. Here we have it. Now there is a search on the top right corner. Click on search and type ctfmon and hit search. Okay, there will show two files. You will need to right click on the one which is with .exe, send to desktop. So we need to create a shortcut on the desktop. So here we have it. I'm gonna delete the first one because I did some trials. Okay, so you're gonna need to rename it only to ctfmon.exe. This is the best way to name it. And now you will need to go again to the run command. Right click on the start, go to run, and over here you will need to type this command, the shell common startup. Hit OK, it will open another folder. Okay, so now the shortcut that we have on desktop, you will need to place it on this folder. Click continue, and here we go. After that, you will need to restart your computer and the search will be working just fine. Also, if you find it annoying or if the search doesn't work properly and it takes a lot of time to search, there is another solution. There is a software that will help you to find everything that you need in just a few seconds. It is very fast. I'm gonna show you how you can install it and you will be able to use it. So you'll need to go to Google and you'll need to type download everything. So hit download everything, go to the void tools, download installer, and I'm gonna run the installer just to show you how it works. Okay, so there is just basic installation. Hit agree, next. Okay, so over here I'm gonna run as administrator and then hit next. Hit next again. Once it is installed, you will need to run it. Hit finish. Okay, so here we have, this is the application that I was talking about. There is a search bar on top, and whatever you want to search over here, it is really easy to find it, and it works a lot faster than the Windows search. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if this works well for you.